What up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Zay, the Midwest Kid. Just about to show y'all today a tutorial on how to get sound kits for FL Studio. So first things first, you're gonna go to the internet. You got the internet up. You're gonna go to this website. It's on megaupload.com, but it has a special ending to the address. So I'm gonna go to it. It's right here. Bam. It's got a whole bunch of sound kits on it. First things first. The address has an ending to it. I'm gonna say it and I'm gonna give it to y'all in the description so you can clearly see it. It's megaupload.com/?PWR1NMWI. So basically, you know what I'm saying, you got kits on here. You probably can't see them clear, but they got brass kits, JR and the Track Boys, Neptune drum kits, from Akon, Ron Browns to the Heat Makers. Got some other kits on here. G Unit kits, R&B kits, Fabulous, DJ Premier, Crime Mob, Cool and Dre, Collie Park. You know what I'm saying? You got some more. Cash Money, Yin Yang Twins, and we got some other 3-6 Mafia, Swiss Beats, Timberland. What else we got on here? Snap Music, Scott Storch, a whole bunch of Scott Storch kits. Polo the Don, Pete Rock, Pastor Troy, Outkast, and you know what I'm saying, a whole bunch more. Lil Jon kit, Kanye West, Jazzy Faye, Jay-Z, Jermaine Dupri, Just Blaze, but it's a lot of kits. So basically, if you got FL Studio and you go to this website and download these kits, basically you just click on the kit, just on the Kanye West kit. Click on it, it comes up. It's gonna have you type in some words and numbers. So basically, it comes up. Go over to this right here, and you're gonna type in what it says right here. Type it in, download the file. When you get it and you download it, you're gonna have to have a program called WinRAR. It's spelled WINRAR, and when you just get that in Google, you can get it in Google. So basically, we're gonna download the kit. So basically, I'm gonna type this in. And it's gonna wait some seconds for it to download. So I'm gonna come back to this. Okay, it's ready to download now. So I'm gonna click on regular download. Then when it comes up, it's gonna say open, save, and cancel. You see this? If WinRAR, you have to have the program WinRAR to do this, and I'll show y'all where to get that. I'll give y'all the website. Okay, and we're gonna open it. Once it's done downloading, I'll show y'all what to do next. Okay, it's going to say, do you allow a program to use content on the computer? You want to do allow. There's no viruses, so don't worry. And when it comes to this screen, click on the kit with the folder. It says Kanye West kit or Lil Jon kit or whatever. Go into it, and you're going to see a lot of sounds or whatever in here. and you can see the sounds right here. But click back on the folder, double click, and it says Kanye West Kids. So we're gonna right click on it and go to extract to the specified folder. We're going to do that. Go to the computer drive, whatever you drive. I got Windows 7, so it's going to say HPC. Go to program files, and it's going to say image line, FL Studio. Go to data, go to patches, then you're going to go to packs, and you're just going to drop in it. Click on packs once, press OK, and it's going to be in there. Click out of this. You know what I'm saying? We're done downloading. I'm going to go into FL Studio. You see? And now we're going to scroll down to the Kanye West Kids. Should be in here. Bam, it's right here. See? I'm going to click on it, and it's basically got all the sounds in here. Basically, a lot of his samples, sounds, you know. Kanye West makes beautiful music. See what I'm saying? Got keyboard, kicks, guitars, you know, violins. So, you know, I got a whole bunch of other kits too that I got from that website. You know, I got a Zaytoven kit, and I got a whole bunch of others. But you know, that's just basically how you do that. Subscribe to me, check me out. You know, check me out on MySpace, myspace.com/YoungZay2010. Hit up that music page. You know, I'm gonna come up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? See it. It says on the screen. Big Stacks Entertainment all day, 317. So basically, you know what I'm saying? Get at me. Yeah.